The roots of the Wacker Neuson Group date back to 1848. In 2007, the company floated on the stock exchange and merged with Neuson Kramer, creating the group in its present form. Wacker Neuson is a global player with its new headquarters located in Munich, along with the company's state-of-the-art R&D Center for Light Equipment, the source of many world-leading innovations. It all starts out with an idea, one that sticks, and that leads to another one, and another, until you ultimately end up with a great innovation such as the DPU 130. But how does an idea mature? It's a process that involves all departments along the value chain. R&D, marketing, procurement, and product management. Everybody playing a key role in moving an idea from the drawing board to market maturity. After extensive test runs, new products go into series production at our European Competence Center for Light Equipment in Reichertshofen. Nothing short of perfection is good enough for Wacker Neuson engineers. The DPU 130 is the culmination of many individual process steps, all of which dovetail to perfection on the assembly line. We produce all metal components for vibratory plates ourselves. Quality is our #1 priority. Every step is planned to perfection, ensuring that the exciter, the heart of every vibratory plate, undergoes several quality control checks. The base plate, upper mass, and exciter are then merged as one in a process known as the marriage. Each step in this process is executed with the utmost care. All components are painted in Wacker Neuson's signature yellow at our in-house spray facility. Our engineers have to master multiple disciplines to develop a complex product such as the DPU 130 vibratory plate, extending from our customers' construction workflows to the latest production processes. No machine leaves the factory without passing Wacker Neuson's strict final check. Only then are our products fit for our customers. Every product launch is accompanied by a marketing campaign. Our experts crunch numbers, discuss plans, and optimize schedules. Everything has to work together. Finished products are shipped from the factory to our logistics center in the neighboring town of Karlsfeld. In the logistics center, the DPU 130 is immediately added to inventory and placed in safe storage, where it stays together with the rest of our light equipment waiting to be ordered. The wheels never stop turning at our logistics center in Karlsfeld, the European hub for light equipment and spare parts, because our customers expect and deserve a fast, responsive service. The logistics center is the starting point of a global journey that sees our equipment delivered to subsidiaries, dealers, and customers across Europe, the US, and Asia. A customer in Warsaw has just purchased our DPU 130, adding to the wide range of Wacker Neuson products he already uses. Once the order is logged in our system, the product is prepared for shipping. Double-checked and sent off to the customer. Once the DPU 130 arrives in Warsaw, Wacker Neuson makes sure that it is ready for action before handing it over to the customer, who knows that he can always rely on Wacker Neuson for the best possible service experience, covering everything from spare parts through maintenance to financing. For now, though, he is looking forward to unleashing the full power of the DPU 130 on his construction site. When it comes to technical challenges, our customers can always be sure of first-class support from Wacker Neuson. At our European Training Center in Reichertshofen, we offer special product and deployment courses for customers. Yet this is just one example of our extensive product portfolio. The DPU 130 is just one of the many products that we develop here in Munich and produce in Reichertshofen. Further highlights include our excellent range of internal and external vibrators for concrete, as well as our extensive portfolio of vibratory plates, breakers, and cutters. All of our products are made in Germany to the highest quality standards. In fact, quality is a top priority across the board at Wacker Neuson. After all, we want our customers to be happy with our products for many years to come. We have a strong tradition of in-house training and talent development at Wacker Neuson. The motor coils for our internal and external vibrators are manufactured in-house, ensuring first-class performance with extremely long-lasting motors. Our colleagues in this area are true specialists. This wealth of expertise has also enabled Wacker Neuson to become a market leader in concrete technology. Internal concrete vibrators must have a flawless, premium finish to function reliably on construction sites, and this is exactly what we guarantee. Our employees know the importance of precision, down to the last nut and bolt. In our demolition department, we manufacture floor saws, cut-off saws, and breakers, including the world's most powerful breaker. We use lasers to measure the components and ensure that each part is the perfect fit. Our breakers are the culmination of many carefully orchestrated process steps. It's a great feeling to be able to say that I build the world's most powerful electric breaker. Yet another Wacker Neuson product that customers rate for its ability to streamline their workflows. Innovation has always been at the heart of everything we do. We have already brought a raft of new ideas to market and are now working on the breakthroughs of tomorrow, so you can continue to enjoy the innovative power of Wacker Neuson. Wacker Neuson. Quality, innovation, performance, character.